আজকে আমরা আইসিএসসি বোর্ডের ক্লাস 8 এর চ্যাপ্টার 1 এর উপর কিছু কোশ্চেন আনসার মডিউল নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। তো আমাদের টপিক অপারেটিং সিস্টেম অ্যান্ড গ্রাফিক্যাল ইউজার ইন্টারফেস, রোল অ্যান্ড ফাংশনস। প্রথম কোশ্চেন, why do we need an operating system? An operating system is the most important software that runs on a computer. The operating system works in the background and acts as a host for other application software, helping them run over the operating system. The operating system also manages the file and folders stored in the computer. Hence, it is also called the resource allocator deallocator, as it manages all the resources like input output devices, memory space information, and the central processor. It is also allows you to communicate with the computer without knowing how to speak the computer's languages. Next question, define hardware and software. Hardware define. Hardware refers to the physical and visible components of the system that make up the computer system is called hardware. That is, all the electronic and machinery parts of the computer system is known as hardware. For example, monitor, printer, scanner, keyboard, mouse, etc. Software. Software is a set of instructions, data or program used to operate computers and execute specific tasks. It is the opposite of hardware, which describe the physical aspects of a computer. Software is a generic term used to refer to applications, scripts, and programs that run on a device. It can be though of as the variable part of a computer, while hardware is the invisible part. Example: MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Access, Tally, Photoshop, CorelDRAW, PageMaker, etc. What is system software and application software? Define system software. The system software instructs a program that interacts with the hardware. It manages the operations of a system. It directs the computer what to do, when to do, and how to do. It acts as an interface between the users and the hardware. For example, Microsoft Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS, Android, etc. Define application software. Application software is a set of programs used to perform specific tasks like create a document, presentation, or database. For example, MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Access, Tally, Photoshop, CorelDRAW, etc. Differentiate between system software and application software. System software are mainly designed for managing system resources. Application software are designed to accomplish tasks for specific purpose. Programming of system software is complex. Programming of application software is comparatively easy. A computer can run without system software. A computer can easily run without application software. System software do not depend on application software. Application software depend on system software and can't run without system software. Next topic, differentiate between hardware and software. Hardware refers the physical components of the computer that can be touched and seen. Software refers to the set of instructions written using various programming languages that help control hardware. Hardware wear out over time. Software does not wear out over time but can be affected by the bugs or glitches. Hardware is tangible, software is intangible. Example, keyboard, mouse, monitor, RAM, CPU, etc. These are called hardware. Examples, Windows, OS, Linux, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. These are called software. Next question, differentiate between CUI, character user interface, and GUI, graphical user interface. CUI stands for character user interface, GUI stands for graphical user interface. MS-DOS is characterized as CUI and Windows is characterized as GUI. A CUI or character user interface user characters on the screen that are controlled with the keyboard. A GUI uses picture, graphics, and icons that are controlled with the mouse. Only one application is run at a time. Number of applications open and are executed in different windows at the same time. CUI, the syntax and various options are required to be remembered, but GUI no need to remember the commands as it is user friendly. Next question.